Hi, you're cooking again today in the kitchen with Gigi, so welcome to my kitchen. And today, since it is fall out, we are going to start cooking some squash recipes, and we are going to use one of my favorite, which is a spaghetti squash. So when you cut it in half long ways, and then you scrape the insides out. So you just use a spoon, you just dig all of this out, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna save the pumpkin seeds. You can see them inside here, these pumpkin seeds. You can easily just take them out. And you're gonna put those in a little separate pan, and we're gonna roast those alongside this to put on top of our dish today. So I'm gonna set this aside, and here I have my baked one. So what I did is I put a little olive oil in here, and I put a little bit of curry powder because the dish we're making today is going to be curried coconut spaghetti squash. And so I put a little curry powder, some salt, covered it with tin foil. A lot of people bake theirs upside down, and I feel like that lets the juice run out. So I would like to cover mine and bake them upright and withhold the juice inside. So once it's tender, you can see how tender that is, you take it out of the oven. In the meantime, while this was baking, I baked this alongside of it. So I just put the little pumpkin seeds in a little tin foil tray I made, and I rubbed, again, curry powder, salt, and a little olive oil, and I toasted them really crispy. I just love them when they get really crunchy, but you can cook them to your liking. Next, we're just going to scrape this out. This should come out, and it's almost, they call it spaghetti squash because it looks like spaghetti when it comes out. These are very low in carb, and they're very, very good for you. Then we're gonna go take our skillet, and we're gonna heat a little bit of olive oil in a pan. We're gonna saute a little bit of onion. And we're gonna put a little bit of fresh garlic in it. Come over here. So we're gonna saute that up. Then we're gonna just put our spaghetti squash in here. So I'm gonna pour a little coconut milk in there. I love, as you know, cooking with coconut milk. Here I just have a nice yellow curry. Sprinkle a couple tablespoons or teaspoons, depending on how strong you like it. We're gonna put some salt in here. And then this is the time we're gonna throw in our ginger. So a little fresh ginger. We're just gonna let this cook down for a minute and absorb all these yummy flavors. I'm gonna put a little fresh cilantro in it now. Thai basil, you could put a little lemongrass in there. You know, always improvise. You don't have to go by the recipe. I never do. I'm always adding something. Or this would be great to toss a little chicken or bell pepper or something else in it to give it a little more of a full meal feel. Okay, so this dish, voila, is ready. And we're going to serve it in our pan. So pretty. And we have our fresh pumpkin seeds here. We're gonna just sprinkle those right on top. And let's just do a little garnish here. And this is our curried coconut spaghetti squash.